Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to join a lesson using your Teams calendar. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your Teams. On the side, you will see the icon for calendar. If you click on your calendar, you will see all of your online lessons scheduled for you. So this is an example of my calendar. To join an online lesson, all you have to do is click on the lesson and you will see your join icon and you join the lesson. Hello! And now you are in your online lesson. Okay, can you find your Teams calendar in your online lessons? Good luck!